Hello everybody, hope everyone's well, having a great day today. So today I'm going to use a panini, and I've got a couple of rashers of bacon left over, literally 2. I've got some more cheese, 4 blends of cheese. Today I've got a tomato which I've sliced, and a gherkin which is a bit smaller than normal. Got a couple of beef burgers which I'm going to smash down and make them a bit flatter. And then in here I've just grated an onion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to chuck the gherkin in there with that, and then when I do the burgers I'm going to chuck that all on the burgers and cook that all together, and then hopefully it should be pretty nice. And for scale, there's a banana, there's that, and a panini. First things first, I'll chuck some bacon in there and get those flavours going. I'm just going to butter the panini with some kerrygold if I'm getting to it. So get some butter on this roll. Right, going to get some burger in there. Can't say I've flattened many burgers before, and yeah, I tried to get one today but I couldn't get one, so I've got this parchment paper. I'm just try and get that in the pan now. Here we go. Yeah, not doing well on this. Well, something like that, you know. And that'd be alright, wouldn't it? First attempt, I think I've aced this, definitely. Look at that burger, don't they look lovely? That's got to go to panini after all. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the bacon out, put that to one side for a minute, just while it's cooking. Squeeze that cupboard a bit more. Oh, I knew a second, I forgot. Put some onions on it. Put some tomatoes in there. Definitely a smash burger, that, isn't it? You can't be perfect every day, can you? yeah, look at that. Tomatoes looking lovely. Look, all like little love hearts. The light. Put that light. There you go. It's coming on. I saw it. We'll do another one. 2 on the go. I've got 2 burgers in it. The second attempt, look at it, I've smashed it and literally smashed it. Thanks to everyone who's liked, subscribed, left a comment. Brilliant. Thank you very much. Oh yeah. Tomatoes are just right. Look at that patty. It's a bit more like, isn't it? The mushrooms coming on lovely, look at them. Oh. A bit alpha there. A bit browner. Oh yeah. Sorry about banging. You know. What else we got here? Oh. Cheese. I'll get into it. So we've got the burger, we've got the onion in there. Burger's cooking lovely. Just need a couple of tomatoes there. Move that around a little bit. Oh, look at them. Get cheese in there. Separate that bit. Oh yeah. That's that for a minute. I'll chuck the bacon back in there. It's about ready to go. Right, here we go. Look at that. Get the panini out first. Get some burger on there. Got some tomatoes to go on there. Got some bacon to go on there. Bit of iffy stacking going on now. Bit of burger. This other burger. Let's see if I can try to chop it in half. Turn it off. Bit of that onion and that flavouring. Oh yeah. Right. So the bacon, the cheese, the burger, the onions, the tomato, it's all in there. The crispiness from the sorry, licking my fingers again. For scale, there you go, it's a bit bigger. Just a little bit though. I have to wash my banana. See if I can get you a bit closer. So burger, bacon, 4 blends of cheese, tomato, gherkin, onion, all in the panini, but no beans today. Beans for another day. Make some spicy beans. So there you go. Lovely. Right, I'm going to tuck into it. Oh, look at it. Wow. Oh. Yeah. That is something else. So the tomatoes, definitely. You want to have a go. So it's an all-day dinner then, because I won't be eating anything else today. This will be it. So this is the breakfast, the lunch, the brunch, all the crunch, the cheese, the burgers. Oh. Mm. Oh. Oh. Wow. Wow. Mm. No need for any sauces, all the flavours are there. Oh. Mm. Oh, yeah. So cooked with no fat. Well, apart from the kerrygold on the panini. Obviously the bacon with the fat, the burger with the fat, the onions and the gherkins, and the tomatoes, no fat. So healthy. It's probably healthy if you don't eat 15 of them, but if you eat one, you'll probably be all right. Mm. Oh, wow. That was so. On that note, I think enjoy your day, people. I will catch you tomorrow.